manufacturing here in America, which is a big thank you very much. Today, I'm also announcing that the FDA has just approved a new drug from Regeneron called Otarmany, a gene therapy curing a rare disease that causes deafness. You know, people are totally deaf, and it's amazing. I've seen some work on it. It's actually hard to believe. We're going to talk about it in a minute. Normally, cures for rare diseases can cost millions of dollars, and really the results aren't that good. But in this case, I'm pleased to say that Regeneron will be giving this away for free for a period of time, for free. And here with us is 2-year-old Travis Smith. He was born deaf. Was he totally deaf? Pretty much, right?
100%.
Wow. This is 100%. He was 100% deaf, but he took this miracle cure, and now he can hear his mom, Sierra, say, "I love you." And Sierra, could you maybe say a few words? That's really incredible.
It's absolutely incredible. Regeneron works miracles. Yeah, he didn't know his name. He couldn't hear me tell him how much I love him. And now with Regeneron and this amazing surgery, he can listen to music, and he loves it, and he loves to dance, and he loves instruments, and I'm so proud of him. And he's been so brave through all of this. And yeah, now he can hear, and he has a bright future ahead of him, and I'm so thankful to everybody on the Regeneron team.
Oh, that's incredible. I mean, even the fake news has to be impressed with this. They'll find a way to make it a bad story. He doesn't hear perfectly, but he actually does. It's about 1% off. They'll figure a way. How are you going to do it? You got to explain. No, they're genius. They are genius. I respect them a lot. But I just want to thank you, Sierra. That's incredible. Your family.
Thank you for having us.
He's a beautiful person, too. That's a beautiful boy.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
His life is a happier life?
Oh, yeah, he is so full of energy and love now, and he was such a serious
baby. So you see
baby.
such a difference.
Yeah, he was such a serious baby.
And before that,
fun.
it's very tough for...
Oh, for sure. He can't tell me what he wants or what he wants to eat or what he needs, and now he'll be able to do that. And
wow.
It's life-changing.
That's a great job they've done. I want to thank Regeneron and other companies for doing their part to bring down the cost of health care for all Americans under our Most Favored Nations agreement. We've secured gigantic discounts with price differences from 4 to 5 and even 600%. 600%. One of the most popular weight loss drugs has gone from $1,350 a month to as low as $199 a month. So that's a price that's incredible. So it used to sell in London for $87. And they raised it to $199, which is a big raise if you know, from $87 to $199. But that's been going on. Our country's been being ripped off for 30 years. How long would you say, Doug? Like 30, 40 years? Yep. For years with drugs and drug prices. So they're going up. We're going way down. And because the world is a bigger place than we are, believe it or not, it's hard to believe that, but they are. That we go down much more than they go up. So they don't go up as much as people would have thought. So they're going from, they're going to $199, and we're going down all the way down. Think of that. We're going down from $1,350 a month to $199. That's, nobody would believe it. And this is true with all. I mean, this is the weight loss drug. But this is true with all drugs. Sometimes even more of a difference than that, sometimes a little bit less, but sometimes substantially more than even that difference, and you see what that is. So we cut the per cycle cost of IVF drugs by thousands of dollars, and we reduced the price of the major COPD medication from $458 to $50. What? That must be a typo. Is that a typo? From $458.
सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इस वक्त वाशिंगटन में मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा है कि अपना हुर्मुज़ में बारूदी सुरंगें बिछाने वाली ईरानी कश्तियों को तबाह किया जा रहा है और उनको तबाह किया जाएगा। अपना हुर्मुज़ में बारूदी सुरंगें बिछाने वाली ईरानी कश्तियां तबाह कर दी गई हैं। उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि हर छोटी बड़ी ईरानी कश्ती को तबाह किया जाएगा। खबरों का सिलसिला आगे बढ़ाएंगे। आपको बताएं कि आपने हुर्मुज़ में माइंस बिछाने वाली हर कश्ती को तबाह कर दिया जाएगा। अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने अमरीकी बहरिया को हुक्म दे दिया है। ट्रुथ सोशल पर बयान दिया कि हर छोटी बड़ी ईरानी कश्ती को निशाना बनाया जाएगा। ट्रंप ने आपदा हुर्मुज़ में कार्रवाइयाँ 3 गुना बढ़ाने का ऐलान कर दिया। सदर ट्रंप का ईरानी रहनुमाओं में इख्तिलाफात का भी दावा, कहा कि ईरान मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहा है, इन्हें मालूम ही नहीं कि उनका लीडर कौन है। ईरान को अपने रहनुमाओं के तयन में शदीद मुश्किलात का सामना है। सख्त गिर और नाम निहाद एहतदाल पसंदों के दरमियान शदीद इख्तिलाफात में ईरानी इंतहा पसंद जंग के मैदान में बुरी तरह शिकस्त खा चुके हैं।